Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix there was a problem with Nvidia app. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what is just to do here is to go to device manager. Then on device manager you need to look for your display adapters. Then you need to select your GPU, right click on it, update driver, browse my computer for drivers. Then let me pick a list of available drivers on my computer and select this, right? And then install drivers, maybe restart your computer and look if the problem persists or not. If the problem persists, next step what we need to do here is to go to installed apps. On installed apps, we need to look for Nvidia App. So let's look for Nvidia App. Here it is. Press on the three dots, uninstall, and then hit uninstall again, then hit yes, right? And then Nvidia App will be uninstalled. And we just need to wait until it's done. So Nvidia app is uninstalled. Then you need to open up your browser. You just need to look Nvidia app, download, something similar along these lines, and probably it will be the first link. Hit download, save it to whatever you like. Once it's done, open up setup. And then here, we need to just install Nvidia app. You just need to press agree and continue. And now, as you can see, it's preparing to install and installing. And after it's done, just select game ready driver, hit next. Hit next again. I don't like to have Nvidia overlay, so I will disable this. And yeah, it should work. So that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.